Everything here is organic.
Yes, okay.
You know, we have Ethiopian apple, we have mangoes, avocados, star apple, star fruit, panganut, June plum, everything on this property. Coconut.
So if people want to buy, Ian, anything like coconut or anything from the farm, how would they
Just
get to
contact
the...
me. Anything them want.
Just, okay.
Contact me. Whatever is in season, because I do organics. All my stuff, all I do is organics.
You don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first day of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside, And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Well, hello, family. Welcome to another episode. Today, I'm in Homestead, Florida with Ian, who is a Jamaican farmer operating in South Florida. Ian tells me he's able to supply his customers with any food item that is grown in Jamaica. Today, he's giving me a farm tour. Please come along with us and let's see what Ian has.
See the tree there? That's the breadfruit on the tree?
Yeah.
Right. I picked like 20 off of this tree. You see like how I'm pushing the stain come out on this one now?
Yeah.
Look, you see how the stain push out on this?
Mm-hmm.
This is a roaster right here, so. See the stain coming out? This ready, this can roast. This can go into the oven right now.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Yeah. Quite a few on the tree.
Small but ready to roast.
See, this is breadfruit on the tree there where I've stain and push out. See? If you look, you will see breadfruit on the tree them. Yeah, quite a few. If them over here, look. That one up there, so.
Mm-hmm.
Ready. That one is ready for roast. See what we saw?
Mm-hmm.
Hey man, so everything down inside of this bush here. You know.
Yeah.
You know what this is,
But
right?
these June plum?
This is a plum tree, it's not June plum. This is the Sorella plum. You know the one that when the plum them on the tree all they come off, and then
Yeah.
when the leaf drop off, come off. This is the Sorella. So this kind of people, we call them half plum at Jamaica.
Oh, okay. Okay.
The next one right there, sir. Another small breadfruit tree. And these breadfruit trees, remember breadfruit trees don't grow, them don't grow seed in it, them push up other plants from the roots and stuff like that. So, them get them from the other yellow heart and spread. They had a big farm with hope of breadfruit, was one hurricane come and tear down the whole of them. And look like you see this little breadfruit tree, it's their breadfruit.
Yellow heart breadfruit as well.
These are yellow heart breadfruits. Right, this one I got and you have the cherry tree. Neesberry, them have a portion of neesberry and avocados and mangoes back here.
These are cherry trees, and they have quite a bit of cherries on them.
And you know what kind of tree this is already?
So what's up?
This is a soursop tree, right? Panganut. Rollinia. Yeah, they meet like a sweet supper and soursop mix. But they're very good.
Guys, they really do look like the mountain soursop. However, it's a member of the custard apple family, and some persons refer to it as wild sugar apple. Neesberry, guys. These are neesberries.
I see mommy down there with the big one. And these are mommy. June plum. Mommy.
These are mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, they look like nice berry.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have all different varieties of mangoes because they have the different suckers and stuff like that. You know, any fruit trees that want grafted, just ask me, I'll get it for you.
All right, so guys, you heard what Ian said. If you want the fruits, reach out to him. If you want the fruit trees and you want them to be grafted, he will get it for you. Whatever the tree is, he will get it for you.
This is the grafted. So, you know, when it start growing, then they'll just cut it and then, you know, this
Yes.
tree will start bearing in no time. Look at the star fruit that must drop off of the tree. The best eating avocados there is. I don't eat avocados.
Ian
but-
thinks this is the best avocado,
But
guys.
if I get 1,000,000 of these, I sell them in no time. at all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't even recognize them as avocados, to tell you the truth.
Yeah. Yep, I sell these like holy sugar cane, black sugar cane, which they're not fat, but they're sweet like sugar.
Yeah.
I almost spray up myself the mosquito and bite. I think this one is Russell if I'm not lying, but these are very good eating avocados.
Yeah. This here is a guinea tree, guys. It doesn't have any guinea on it right now, but definitely guinea.
These avocados, the Simons, very good avocados. Actually, those are boots or Simons. Boy, they're Simons. Come. Look at it. Star apple. Star apple. Look at the blossom on there already.
There is a light rain right now and the mosquitoes are out.
Weaver. Got some big ones and small ones on there. Look at these mosquitoes, not afraid of the spray. I spray up myself so much. Look at these. So when the avocado reach like that way, you see the leaves leave around the stem at the front, they're ready to pick. That's how they pick
Okay.
them. In Jamaica, them want to pick them and shake them and all them things there. Over here, you just look and make sure, you know, the leaves, them, the stem. And then if you look, you see, this is a long tree. Put the
Yeah.
black bags on there and grass the tree them and things. These are lychee trees. See?
Oh, lychee.
Yeah, these are lychee.
Okay.
And all of them grafted. They start bearing in no time at all. Panganut, star apple, star fruit, mommy.
Wow. Okay. Jackfruit.
This is jackfruit I'm on the tree here, so. And this place, everything here is organic.
Yes. Okay.
You know, we have Ethiopia apple, we have mangoes, avocados, star apple, star fruit, panganut, June plum, everything on this property. Coconut.
Okay. So if people want to buy, Ian, anything like coconut or anything from the farm, how would they
Just
get to
contact
the-
me. Anything them want.
just okay?
Contact me. Whatever is in season, because I do organics. All my stuff, all I do is organics. I deal with people only who do organics. So all my stuff is organic.
Okay.
Just contact me. 786-414-4764. And you know, whatever we have in stock, you can just I'll get it for you. If I can't get it, I'll find it for you. See, these are the dwarf June plums. These are not like the big June from Jamaica, but they're very good. The seeds are very tiny, you know, and they don't have that string into it like the Jamaican June plum.
Yeah. And so we are at the end of the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll reach out to Ian to help you find that fruit tree you need or that fruit that you need. Whatever you need, put him to the test. He said whatever you want, he'll find it. So let me know later on how successful you were in sourcing that special fruit you love. Until next time, ciao.